Montreal-Laurier. Montreal-Laurier was a former provincial electoral district in the Montreal region of Quebec, Canada, that elected members to the Legislative Assembly of Quebec. It was created for the 1912 election from part of Hochelaga electoral district. Its final election was in 1962. It disappeared in the 1966 election, and its successor electoral district was Laurier. Members of the Legislative Assembly: Napoleon Turcotte, Liberal 1912–1919, Ernest Poulin, Liberal 1919–1923, Alfred Duranleau, Conservative Party 1923–1927, Ernest Poulin, Liberal 1927–1935, Zenon Lesage, Action Libérale Nationale 1935–1936, Charles Auguste Bertrand, Liberal 1936–1939, Paul Gauthier, Liberal 1939–1944, André Laurendeau, Bloc Populaire Canadien 1944–1948, Paul Prouvel, Union Nationale 1948–1954, Arsène Gaigny, Union Nationale 1955–1960, René Lévesque, Liberal 1960–1966,